friends, in today's tutorial, I will showing you how to make wooden desk calendar. All product I used came from Dollar Tree. I also purchased some stickers from Walmart and Hobby Lobby. Okay, let's get started. For step 1, I glue 9 panels of 4 blocks together. If you prefer to use hot glue gun, that is okay too. Next, you will glue 3 sets of 3 panels together. 2 of the panels need to add the addition as showing here. Step 2. I glue 2 sets of 4 blocks together. I also add the addition to the 2 panels as showing here. Make sure you measure correctly. I use the miter saw to cut it. If you have hand saw, you can use it as well. I measure the other panel also so I can cut it at the same time. Please be very careful when you cut the Jenga block because the part is very small. After cutting completed, you can glue all of them together. Using liquid glue will take some time to dry. However, I still prefer to use it for long lasting. And I'm planning to have this calendar on my desk for a while. Once you're done gluing, put them aside and moving on to the next step. Step number 3, glue 1 set of 10 blocks together. However, in this section, I glue only 8. Later, I will add 2 more. Also, glue 2 sets of 2 blocks together. This will be for the legs. Step number 4, glue 3 panels of 6 blocks together. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and welcome to my channel. This step is optional. I prefer to use the speckling so it will cover the gaps. After all pieces are dry, you can sand them down and start staining or painting as you wish. For this project, I use American walnut. For the bottom of the box, you use exactly 12 blocks as showing here. And for the 2 sides, you use the 2 panels that add additional blocks onto them. Notice on my right hand side has the add-on piece. And when you are gluing this side, you will use the panel that have the add-on piece as well. Notice on the left hand side. Allow for it to dry and moving on to the next step. Add 2 blocks onto step 4. These are the 2 blocks I mentioned earlier. Now adding the legs on both sides. Here's what I have so far. For the single blocks, I start to label months and year. I purchased this sticker from Hobby Lobby. Here's the finished product. Stickers that I use for all 12 months I purchased from Walmart. I purchased the glitter numbers as you see here from Walmart as well. This block I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And for this block I have 0, 1, 2, 6 or 9, 7, and 8. There you have it, all 31 days. And also thank you to those friends who have subscribed to my channel. I truly appreciate that you watch all my videos. And for the month, I use double side, as you can see here. Here's what I have so far. The next step, I will embellish using the stickers that I have. This project is really easy to make. I hope you give it a try. Tell me what you think. Put down in the comment below. I put the name of my channel, Desert View Studio, on the back panel. Press down the stickers once everything is correct. This wrap-on sticker I purchased from Dollar Tree. You can also use popsicle stick. Make sure you rub it down gently. And here what I have so far. I highly recommend using Mod Podge to cover the stickers. This will prevent the stickers from lift up too soon, and it also will help the sticker last longer. Here's the finished product. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye bye.